some proceeds from that place to also buy some rice again. And talking to me is Mr. Rotimi Fakayejo. He's an economy and capital market analyst, breaking some of these figures down. Mr. Fakayejo, good afternoon and thank you for being on the program. Before Mr. Fakayejo joins me, the market is in green. We have on the gainers chart, we have NSL Tech, we have Multiverse, we have Suno Shore, we have FBN Holdings, and we have Tom Sway. And for losers, we have Avibos, we have FTN Coco, we have Dar Communications, we have Wapik, that's an insurance space. We have Veritas Cap on the losers chart today. Mr. Fakayejo, are you there now? Thank you for joining the show.
Yes, I'm here. Good afternoon.
Yes, it's good to hear your voice. Let's start with it's looking very greeny today, not red yesterday like we saw yesterday. Today, it's opposite of what we saw yesterday. But what I would ask you is, are you sure we're still going to get some proceeds from the NGX as we move to the end of the year? A lot of buyings at this time. You know what I'm talking about.
Yes, you can see that the market is very liquid. I think in the last 5 trading days, the average value traded per day is in the neighborhood of about 8 billion. I think yesterday we did over 10 billion. Today we are looking at over 11 billion naira. And I think that is quite remarkable because those are the pointers and the indicators that we are heading towards a bullish end of year. And for yesterday, I think we won't have seen what we saw because even after yesterday when the market dropped, where the oil index dropped, market breadth was still positive. But what actually dragged down the market yesterday was the Boa Cement and lost about 10 naira. And we know the significance of that in terms of the number of shares in issue. So for Boa Cement alone yesterday, it dragged the market down by about 350 billion naira. But for today, I think it's maintained a turnaround. We are seeing a 440 kobo gain in Boa Cement. And the better thing about the market is that it's not just about Boa Cement gaining today, but we are seeing a very, very positive market sentiment for the banking sector stocks. FBN Holdings is on the spike, is really, really blazing because this is a stock that traded about 19 naira last week. And today we are seeing it at about 26 naira. So, and likewise other banking sector stocks. So I think investors have a large pool of stocks to choose from at this point in time. And I think even towards the end of the year, even with capital appreciation they are looking out for, is still very much for them, much in addition to fantastic dividend that we paid at the end of the financial year.
Well, the DMO is still initiating subscriptions. And of course, most times, always oversubscribed. What does that mean to you, Mr. Fakayejo?
Well, I think money is looking for where to get invested. So there's still so much money moving around. Not much is going into production or business. So people will rather look for some instruments to put their money in where there is a lot of comfort. And I think fixed income securities always give this opportunity. So we have such funds actually looking for where to be invested in the fixed income market. And at the same time, the surplus is actually coming to the equity market, which offers much more return than the fixed income, at least for now, in terms of capital appreciation and dividend return.
So moving towards the end of the year, yes, we need to start counting as days, as business people, days to the end of the year, because companies will start to close down from second week of December in some cases and third week in some cases. How do you see us ending the year with the figures out from the markets?
Well, I think the best is yet to come for the market this year. So the Osha index is at 71,250 basis points now. I still forecast the situation whereby we exceed 75,000 basis points before the close of the year. And I'm even trying to be conservative with that figure. So the best is yet to come for the equity market. And I think with that upward trend that we're going to see will also be further justified by the time we begin to see the financial results of the quoted companies come next year.
So much for your time, Mr. Rotimi Faka.